Hello again. This is part 2 of your Franna crane tutorial, or just showing you the inside the Franna crane here we have on site. So this is the speed of your boom and winch. So this is your boom is currently set to that orange color. That's slow. That's fast. That controls the speed of your boom up, boom down, and tail in and tail out. It's currently set on fast mode. This green here, it's your winch. So there's a button here. If I press it, it changes to the fast mode. But if I press it again, it goes back to slow mode. Same with the boom. If I press the button on the other side, it goes to slow mode. But if I press it again over here, it goes back to slow mode, to fast mode. This is your lights. This is your work light for the front, work light for the back. This is your rotating beacon. This is your low range. This is your 4-wheel. Right now we're on 2-wheel drive. This is your engine check lights, and this is the cruise control. This is your CB radio for comms that we are working. This is your park brake. This is your emergency stop. You only use it in emergencies, not any other day. What else? This is your aircon. This is your blower. This is the heater. And this is your window, wipers. This is how much weight we have now on the rear axle. It's 11.2 ton, and this is how much weight we have on the front axle. It's showing 8.6, 8.5 ton at the moment, which is perfectly normal because we haven't got any weight on the crane at the moment. Over here, this is your built-in load chart. This load chart is built into the computer, so in case you lose your printed load chart, you can always come back to here to access your built-in load chart. So to access your load chart, you need to press F8, and then you can go in to your load chart. This is your built-in one, and you can scroll up and down and access all the values using those arrows. So because we normally use the book, we don't use the electronic one. I'll press F10 again to go out. What else? This is your alarm. If you got the audio alarm, you can press F9 to cancel your alarm. F5, if you press F5, you go into your engine. So this is how much percentage of fuel you have. This is the engine temperature at the moment. Transmission, it's just down at 50 at the moment because we haven't driven anywhere. And this is your engine pressure here. All these values, they are for mechanics. If you press F3, you can go into the engine parameters and all that. You can see all the fault codes over here. This is your transmission oil pressure temperature at the moment. It's at 48 degrees. Your engine water is at 72. Your fuel temperature at 41 degrees. Your intake manifold, it's at 35 degrees. And your engine oil temperature is at 71 degrees. And your engine oil level is at 94%. So to exit, press F10 again. And to exit again, press F10 again. I can show you the passcodes we use for calibration. It's a secret. What else? Those are your aircon vents over here. Okay, this is your joystick over here. In some models, you will find there are 3 levers over here. One for hoisting, lowering, one for tail out, tail in, and one for laughing up, laughing down. But this model has the single joystick with every function in one joystick. But I will cover it in the next video. Thank you.